Welcome to Mastering Visual Studio 2022. In this episode, I'll show you how IntelliCode Visual Studio's built-in AI can help you code faster, smarter, and with fewer errors. Let's jump right in. IntelliCode enhances intelligence using AI. It analyzes your code context and recommends the most relevant suggestions, not just alphabetical ones. You'll notice a small star next to Smart Recommendations, trained on thousands of GitHub repos. Here's a quick example. I create a list with var list is equal to new list, then I type list. And IntelliCode suggests add count and for each first, because they're the most commonly used. These suggestions are context-aware and help save time on every line of code. You can train IntelliCode on your own projects. Just go to Extensions IntelliCode Train on My repos. It builds a custom model based on your coding patterns, great for teams and large enterprise apps. IntelliCode supports C#, C++, JavaScript, Python, XAML, and more. It runs locally, no copilot needed, and it's free with Visual Studio 2022. And that's IntelliCode in action. Give it a try and let me know how much time it saved you. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Next up, we are covering Hot Reload in Visual Studio 2022.